the constituency and most vulnerable population whose welfare I've always worked to improve. Honorable Chair, in conclusion, allow me to reaffirm my deep conviction that the journey I have walked through service, leadership, advocacy has prepared me for this responsibility. Experience I've gained, the knowledge I've acquired, the skills I've sharpened, and above all, the passion and the inner resolve that guide me to have collective sharpened by readiness to serve and champion the interests of our nation. Not only our nation, but also the region, with utmost dedication and integrity. Service to one's country is the highest calling any patriot can answer. Each of you, honorable members, has answered that call through your own service. And today, I'm equally prepared to answer that same call and committed to safeguard the environment sustainability upon which the future depends. I sincerely thank you for the opportunity to appear before you this morning, and I hope my candidacy will meet your favor. Looking forward to having conversation with you. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Members to ask you questions. As I do that, let me acknowledge the team that flanked you to give you support. You're most welcome. Feel comfortable. I'll start with Honorable Memosi, and then Honorable Kandia. You will take the two questions, respond to them, then we'll take another set of two questions.
Thank you, Chair. And Chair, let me begin by congratulating Mama for her nomination. And Chair, I must say